Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how to disable haptic feedback on your Roblox application using your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Roblox app open on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. From the Roblox home screen, tap on the three dots or the More button at the bottom right corner, and from the menu, go ahead and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, click on Device Preferences. Scroll all the way down from the Device Preferences menu and tap on the toggle button right next to Haptics. Now once you do that, this will disable the haptic feedback feature. You will now no longer feel vibrations while operating Roblox, while playing Roblox game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.